Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we think is the best hermit crab habitat starter kit you can get your hands on, the AZV Reptile Terrarium Tank. Whether you're a beginner pet parent or a seasoned exotic animal enthusiast, this enclosure brings form, function, and flexibility together in one thoughtfully designed habitat. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this terrarium stand out. At first glance, the AZV Terrarium impresses with its sleek, transparent design that offers a full 360 degrees view. It's not just aesthetically pleasing, it's also incredibly functional. You can observe your pets from any angle without opening the lid or disturbing them. This is a big win for those keeping shy or sensitive creatures like tarantulas, geckos, or even frogs. This model comes in 3 sizes: small, large, and extra large. The small variant, which we're focusing on here, measures 7.87 by 5.9 by 3.93 inches, with a volume of about 2.37 gallons. Don't be fooled by the compact design. There's enough room for your pet to explore, burrow, or just chill. It's an ideal microhabitat for hermit crabs, snails, insects, or jumping spiders. Now let's talk materials. This isn't your typical plastic tank. It's made from tempered polycarbonate, which means it's shatter-resistant, scratch-proof, and highly durable. This tank is built to last through bumps, drops, and even the enthusiastic tapping of curious kids or pets. It's also yellowing-resistant, which is perfect for long-term clarity and display. One of the standout features is its leak-proof construction. The seamless body and magnetic top closure create a watertight seal. That makes this terrarium highly versatile. It can handle dry environments for desert lizards and spiders, or more humid setups for frogs and aquatic invertebrates. So whether you're misting for moisture or adding a small water dish, you won't have to worry about spills or leaks. Ventilation is another area where AZV got it right. Multiple holes along the sides and the top of the enclosure ensure excellent airflow. That's crucial for maintaining humidity control and preventing mold or stagnant air, especially important for delicate species like chameleons or amphibians. And for those who like stacking multiple enclosures, the AZV tank is stackable and rimless. That means you can create a mini pet condo or organize different species in their own individual habitats without sacrificing space or safety. The magnetic top isn't just for leak-proofing, it also keeps your pet securely inside. It's easy to open when you need access for feeding or cleaning, but strong enough to prevent your critters from pushing their way out. This is especially important for escape artists like crabs or spiders. At just 16 ounces in weight, it's lightweight and portable. So whether you're doing a full clean or simply rearranging your pet shelf, moving this terrarium around is a breeze. If you're someone who wants a combination of durability, design, and practicality, the AZV Reptile Terrarium Tank checks all the boxes. It's affordable, thoughtfully engineered, and compatible with a wide range of small pets, from reptiles to amphibians and everything in between. To sum it up, this is more than just a tank. It's a high-quality starter kit that gives your pets a safe, secure, and stylish home. And that's why we're calling it the best hermit crab habitat starter kit on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. See you in the next one.